Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you're trying to find the relay for the fuel pump because your car is not starting and it sounds like you have a bad fuel pump, check that relay first. Also guys, you have 3 fuses and we'll have video on that as well, guys. Check it out. It's called fuel pump fuse on Ford Edge, guys. Quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're planning on making at least 200 videos, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement relays, fuses, car parts, tools, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. So I'll go ahead, open the hood, and I'll show you guys, okay, where that relay is located and how to replace it. So this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on, but I think it should cover, okay, the whole generation from year 2007 to year 2011, guys. 11 is when they switched to the facelift. It may work for after that too, but I cannot confirm for sure. So now right here, guys, okay, you can see this is where the fuse box is located. Okay, this is your fuel rail. We have a video on the channel that explains how to check fuel rail pressure and all that, so check it out if you need to. How to test fuel pump, all that will be on the channel, guys. So all we have to do, open the fuse box. Okay, let me show you now. Right here you need to press in, pull up, and now I can even disconnect it, guys. And the layout of the fuses here, you can see facing this way, corresponds to what we have here, guys. So which relay we need to check now, guys? Okay, you can see how we have numbers here. Okay, the one that we need to check is actually, guys, relay number 26, this one here. And if you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So looking at it, guys, okay, it will be this relay right there. That's the relay number 26, guys. So I just grab it with my fingers. Okay, those could be tight, and pull it. Okay, just like that. Let me show you what the relay looks like. If you need to get one, we have the link in the description of the video below. Also, guys, we'll have the part numbers listed and all that stuff. So that's what it looks like. This is the fuel pump relay. Not very big relay, but you don't need much anyways. You guys have 3 more fuses, so check out the video on the fuel pump fuses as well. And when you're ready to install it, all we have to do, grab it, guys, okay, and install it. Okay, that's how we remove it, that's how we install it. Do not forget, guys, okay, to install your fuse cover here. Why? Because if you forget, guys, all that dust that we have here in the engine compartment, it's going to end up in the fuse box, and you will, guys, end up needing a new fuse box replacement. Moisture can get there as well, so check it out, guys. Always make sure that you close it good. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.